So in this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror your Windows PC to your TouchCast device by using the dongle. So the dongle is great because you will not have to download any softwares or connect it to the same network. The dongle works by one-to-one pairing with your TouchCast receiver box. If your dongle is not paired, super easy, just take the dongle and plug it into the USB ports on the side, and it will pair automatically. Once the pairing is complete, you can take the TouchCast and plug it into the USB port on the side of your PC. It will start flashing a blue light to establish your connection. If it's the first time that you're plugging the dongle into your PC, you will have to manually click on the TouchCast drive. If not, when the blue light stops flashing, you can easily one click to show your screen. If you want to quickly hide your screen, one click again and your screen will disappear. If I have more than one screen on TouchCast at the same time, and I want my screen to become full screen, I just long press until my screen appears. Okay.